Hello everyone, I am back with episode 5, Scratch and Save Bible Verses using a Budget School Savings Challenge optional bundle set. First, I would like to point out that we carry simply easy instructions as well as a school supply list that has been provided. Welcome to the Heavenly Realms classroom. First, I will read the scripture in the first column to determine what my answer choice will be. And it reads, Jesus answered them and said, "My doctrine is not mine, but his that sent me." Next, I will move over to the second column and decided to pick if the scripture was true or false by writing it down. I decided to pick false. Once I pick my answer in the second column, I will move over to the third column and scratch off to see if my answer matches with what the scripture says. Next, I will grab my Bible and go to John chapter 7, verses 16 to help me determine if my answer was true. The title is Christ's Brothers Do Not Believe. And it reads, verse 16, Jesus answered them and said, "My doctrine is not mine, but his that sent me." This means my answer was incorrect, and now I can move over to the last two columns to determine how much I will be budgeting for this savings challenge. Next, I will grab the $10 that I budget for and place it inside the classroom investment wallet. So far, I've saved $37. And that is simply it, you guys. Stay tuned for episode 6, Scratch and Save Bible Verses using a Budget School Savings Challenge optional bundle set.